This HP laptop with a Ryzen 5 and 8 GB of RAM is a versatile and efficient device designed for everyday computing, work, and study. It's powered by AMD Ryzen 5 processor. It delivers smooth performance for tasks such as web browsing, office application streaming, and light multitasking. With 8 GB of RAM, the laptop can handle multiple applications simultaneously without noticeable slowdowns, ensuring a responsive and reliable experience for both work and entertainment. The display provides clear and comfortable visual, making it suitable for extended use whether you're typing documents, attending online meetings, or watching videos. The keyboard and trackpad are designed for comfort and accuracy, supporting long periods of productivity. Battery life is sufficient for daily use, allowing you to work or study for several hours without needing to recharge frequently. Overall, the HP laptop with this Ryzen 5 and 8 GB of RAM is a solid choice for students, professionals, and casuals users who need a dependable, well-rounded laptop. It is not made for AAA gamer. It is not made for anybody who wants to render and edit at 4K, 80K. Absolutely not. It combines performance, though, portability, and ease of use in sleek, practical design that fits both work and leisure needs.